Could we just stop, we pause for a moment? I'm in this for the long run, but you keep swerving on it, yeah. You say you care and you disappear. You want the shine, but you dodge the fear. I drop everything I do just to try and hold you, yeah. But there's timing and limits, and I'm close to being through. The way you've been doing things, I feel you're running me dry. Give you all that I am, you don't even ask why. I ain't afraid to walk out, so don't you dare cross that line. Just 'cause I'm good to you, baby, don't twist that into a ride. Don't take advantage of my open hands and my truth. I'm done explaining what I've already proved. 'Cause baby, I can be bad too if I ever aim that at you. You call me late, only when you're low. You love the comfort, but you hate control. You think I've been every time you call, like I don't notice. You let me take the fall. I drop everything I do just to try and save you. But I'm learning my lessons aren't meant to break me in two. The way you've been doing things, I feel you're running me dry. Give you all that I am, you don't even ask why. I ain't afraid to walk out, so don't you dare cross that line. Just 'cause I'm good to you, baby, don't twist that into a ride. Don't take advantage of my hospitality. I gave you soft and patient, you fed on it carelessly. 'Cause baby, I can be bad too if I ever turn that on you. I can choose me, that's still love. I can step back when it's too much. If you want this, show me proof. For I cut loose, cut loose. The way you've been doing things, I feel you're running me dry. I won't keep pouring from a high, you don't even try. I ain't afraid to walk out, so don't you dare cross that line. Just 'cause I'm good to you doesn't mean that you own my time. Don't take advantage of my good intentions, my truth. This is your warning, your last chance to move.